Plaintiff Cynthia Torres says she wants her money back for renting an auto shop that should be condemned. She's suing for $3,400 for the rent and security deposit. Defendant Hugo Vasquez says she signed the lease and then backed out of the deal. So he keeps the money.
The testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. All rise. The Honorable Judge Jerry Springer now presiding. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Najee.
This is case number 195 on the docket, Torres versus Vasquez.
All right. Let me see what we have here. We have the plaintiff, Ms. Torres, and you are suing your former landlord, Hugo Vasquez, for $3,400 for rent and security deposit from an auto body shop that you were never able to open.
Exactly.
Okay. I understand you're having a little laryngitis, so just speak as well as you can, and we'll take it from there.
The reason why I'm suing him, I want my money back, is because I felt disrespected as a woman, belittled by him.
Belittled by him,
yes. As a woman. I feel like he took me as a joke. He just took me for my money. When I saw the place, I signed the lease on March 8th.
You signed a lease for what kind of a place?
Auto body.
That he owned? That's your business?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
He talked a good one. He made me believe he was gonna fix the place and it was gonna be ready by April 1st, 12 o'clock. He says it in the contract. It was April 1st.
You have a copy of the contract?
I didn't bring it with me. I believe he doesn't.
Okay.
It was April 1st. It was already 12 o'clock. The old tenant was still there. Me and my spouse still helped them take out stuff from the old tenant.
It wasn't ready yet because the previous tenant still had stuff.
And when I saw it on March 8th, he told me he was gonna fix the windows that are broken. I have expensive machines that I'm not willing to lose over broken property.
When you saw that the windows of this place were broken, you just said March 8th?
Yes.
So this was 3 weeks before you were to move in.
He agreed to fix them.
He agreed to fix the windows. Okay.
Mayor?
And they were never fixed.
We agreed that she would have them fixed and I would pay the cost.
That was after.
Of having the windows fixed. She never had the windows fixed, so I never paid for them to get fixed.
Okay,
no, because when we did the estimate, me and my spouse, we called him on the phone, and he was like, no, I'll just do it myself.
That's incorrect.
I guarantee you to this day, I bet you those windows are still broken.
Did you move in April 1st?
I didn't even finish moving in. I moved in some of the stuff, and I went right back and got my stuff out.
So you really weren't there for...
Not even, in total, I wasn't even there 10 days.
She moved out on the 28th.
Of April, officially moved out.
Yeah.
But in terms of her being there, you're saying you were only there 10 days?
In total, because I wouldn't even go to the
She had possession of the property till the 28th because she had vehicles parked there and other belongings. One vehicle or two, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
She had possession of the property.
Exactly, I had possession to a property where he did not clean it.
Why wouldn't you have fixed the window? If you're going to rent a property, if someone rents someone a house or an apartment, wouldn't they make sure that the windows weren't broken before you rented it?
Well, if you allow me to start my defense.
Yes.
I had an ad up in February for a auto repair shop. She responded to the ad in February. She went in.
March 8th.
She went in to review the shop in February.
Yes.
Took video of the shop.
Yes.
She said she liked it. She came back March 8th, reviewed the shop
because
again.
You're gonna look at the property.
Let him talk now.
There was a current tenant in there, broken windows and all. It was not a big deal because it's a commercial shop. We're not trying to keep out the weather. It's a commercial shop. Windows get broken. If she wanted them fixed, she would have had them fixed. I would have repaid her to get them fixed. She went in on March 8th, looked at the shop again, paid a deposit, and we signed a lease.
Did you see that the windows were broken?
Yes, but when I signed the lease, there was only 4 windows broken. By the time I moved in, even the top, I have a picture here.
Let's see that.
I did not see the mold. I did not see I don't know how this place is still open. If you see the pictures.
It's a repair shop, sir. We don't conduct surgery there. In her lease, if you'd like to take a look, Judge Jerry, Section 19, she reviews the premises and accepts it basically as it is, and everything is in good working order.
It wasn't good or working.
She did not mention anything about the windows till
But
the
you did
15th. Till the 15th, after she had already taken possession of the property.
I have some questions here. When I look at this picture...
That's the entrance to the door where my business is supposed to go.
Okay, I understand that. But when you went in there in March to look at the place...
That wasn't there. That mold was not there.
That was there, sir.
He must have covered up with something because, and then he also left the light.
You did not see this.
The door opens and conceals that.
He conceals that, like, he covers it.
But it's a commercial area, and
Exactly.
I understand. Okay, I understand it's a commercial area, but that doesn't mean if you have an auto body shop, obviously you don't want windows broken because people at night could break in and take stuff out.
She expressed concern. We said that she would have them fixed. I would repay. She never got them fixed.
My question is, just as a good landlord, I'm not saying the place has to be beautiful, but why wouldn't you at least make sure before you lease it to someone that it's secure? I mean, that's pretty basic.
Because previous tenants didn't mind it.
Well, they
It
did.
lets the breeze in. It really does.
You think it's okay to rent a property where the windows are broken?
She accepted it as it
The
was.
reason that it's okay to have broken windows is because it lets the breeze
She
in?
accepted it as it was. She signed on the 8th.
Yeah, let me...
She accepted it as it was.
That's fair. Okay, that's a more reasonable argument, the lease.
Section
than
19, Your Honor, if you don't mind.
Okay, so here's the lease. Okay, in fairness. I understand what you're feeling, okay? But it does say here in the lease that you signed, and this is all business, right? It says here, Section 19, tenant acknowledges that it inspected the premises, that you inspected the premises, including the grounds and all buildings and improvements, and that they are, at the time of the execution of this lease, in good order, good repair, safe, clean, and tenable conditions.
Yeah.
So,
But we signed that March 8th. It also says in the beginning of the contract, because he already agreed that by April 1st, they were going to be fixed,
oh,
which is in the beginning
there's no
of the
agreement
contract.
to any improvements,
Yes, there
Your
is.
Honor.
well, wait, you just testified under oath that you said to her that you would...
In April 15th.
Yeah, well, I'm
Once she had
saying...
once she already taken possession
was
of the
April
property.
1st.
Once she already taken possession of the
Oh.
property, we discussed that she had a problem with the windows. I said, have them fixed, and I will repay you
That was the
whatever the
second
cost
conversation. But
is.
once I
Okay,
came
what
back-
else do we have in the case?
He doesn't want to give back my deposit,
Okay, so you're suing because you want... How
I
much
didn't-
rent did you pay?
1,700 plus the deposit was 1,700. I
So
figured
$1,700 a month
plus
was the
17.
rent, and the security deposit was $1,700.
Exactly.
And that's why you're suing for $3,400.
Yeah, because he never.
Okay, I heard both your sides. Because you signed a lease, you do owe the rent for 1 month. Regarding the security deposit, I believe you're entitled to get that back because of the condition of the place that while she was even there, you had the ability to fix. So I find in favor of the plaintiff for $1,700. Hey YouTube, check out my new show, Judge Jerry. Now for sneak preview and behind the scenes footage, subscribe to my channel now.